Good evening, folks. Welcome back to Budget Scenery Workshop. Today is a kind of part 2 or part 1.5 of my Rohan inspired house build. Today, what I'm going to be working on, as you can see, all my bricks. And the base is dried off nicely, so what I'm going to do is I've marked out where the walls are. So I am going to build, so I was going to use this piece as the door, but instead I think I'm going to make a little fireplace. Nothing fancy, just, I might try something new. So hopefully you enjoy it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. And please do leave me a like if you like what you see. Don't forget to turn notifications on, and obviously a big thank you to my two moderators, Morpheus GI and Lady Ha Gaming. Okay, well, let's get started. Okay, so finished for now. Obviously I haven't undercoated it or painted it or anything, but I just want to show you guys. And if you remember my village entrance build, how I built the windows, what I used for that, I'm thinking of making a grill that will cover that, but obviously I'll need to paint the fire effect in it first. Then once I've done that, I will undercoat the rest in Mod Podge, and then I will paint it a kind of stone colour. But yeah, I like it. I like how the baking powder has made it look textured, made it look more like stone. I've also done the same with the walls of the house, the outer walls of the house. Yeah, I'm pleased with it. If you've got any extra ideas for what I can do to this house, just drop a comment. But for the meantime, I'm going to let this dry, and I don't know, I may do a painting video of it if you guys are interested in seeing that. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now, peeps.